here you can see the /ZB a little bit stronger than what we're seeing in the 10s and the 20s, which essentially means that the yield curve is slightly flattening when you look at this. And I've been projecting right over here to that high. That's 175. Maybe you could make it up there to 176.5, but that's about the best I can see. And then moving down again, pointing out to this March-April period of a period where yields will likely be moving up. The bond market will likely be moving down. And that same beautiful look at the harmonics that you see in here and the negative momentum as it keeps returning and keeps the market from being able to go on the upside. So we have a very, very nice look at a downtrend in there, that downtrending channel that you can see. You have this high right over here, and I'm just going to come down and move these right. Where's that last high right there? Okay, so that's pretty much the look at the downtrend. Let me just make that a solid line. And it would need to move above that to get above there to give you any sense that there was any real possibility of a better rally. So right now that's trading right around where that resistance is, 174.10 or so. It's going to have a hard time getting above that. If it does, you'll get a little bit of run out of it, but I don't think a whole lot. I just think that the interest rate market is extremely weak and that a bond bear market is here. Yields going higher and maybe only going slowly higher over the next months and maybe a year, but maybe it's maybe it's all the way out into 22 before you start to get much higher yields. But we're going to get much higher yields because if the Fed is even close to right about the growth in the economy being over 4% for the next 3 years as a catch-up based on that huge decline we had last spring, then yields are going to be headed up. I mean, it's clear, and the stock market is going to be looking at the negative effects of the higher interest rates, and that is going to be something that causes some problems for the market moving out.